Welcome to the Herringbone Half Double Crochet. For materials, you will need a basic size 4 yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. To start, you will chain the multiples of any number of stitches and then add one for the turning chain. For this square, there is a special stitch known as the Herringbone Half Double Crochet. For row 1, skip the first 2 chains and then place a herringbone half double crochet into the next chain and into every chain after. For row 2, you will chain 2, this does count as the first half double crochet, and then skip the first stitch. After this skip, you will place 1 herringbone half double crochet, and then place a herringbone half double crochet into every stitch until the end of the row. Remember to place the last herringbone half double crochet into the turning chain. Repeat row 2 until the desired length, then fasten off and weave in your tails.